Welcome to part 1 of our look at the word yes. Sometimes informally known as yeah, yep, yay, ya, or even I. Yes is most commonly used as an adverb. As an adverb, yes generally shows that you agree or are willing to do something.
Did you go to work today?
Yes.
Do you enjoy living in Hong Kong?
Yes, I love it. Yes doesn't always show that you agree with something though. When used in reply to a negative statement, it actually shows that you disagree.
I'm not very good at English.
Yes, you are. You communicate very well.
I didn't cook a very nice meal.
Yes, you did. It was absolutely delicious. We also use yes, or even yeah and yep, to acknowledge that we have heard someone.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes? How can I help? We can also use these words as discourse markers to show we are ready to listen for more instructions. Step 1. Turn on the computer.
Yep.
Step 2. Enter your password.
Yes.
Step 3. Click on the icon.
Yeah, okay.
Be careful though. Don't answer with yep repeatedly in a conversation. It might show you are disinterested. This week, we need to do many things around the house,
Yep.
including reorganizing the cupboard,
Yep.
dusting all the shelves,
Yep.
washing the windows,
Yep.
and sweeping all the floors.
Yep.
Can you help with that?
Yep.
Are you listening?
Yep.
Can you answer fully, please?
Yep.
Stop just saying yep.
Yep. Okay.
Are you ready for part 2?
Absolutely yes.